Hey everyone, welcome to Drag Boat 101. I'm Tyler Spear, and since I started racing drag boats in 2014, I've been asked so many questions about drag boat racing. From the boats in each class to when some person cross the finish line first, why do they lose still? Well, to start off episode 1, I figured we'd just keep it pretty simple and just go over the basics of the classes and the types of classes and the types of boats, as well as the different types of associations. So the main associations that use the same rules and regulations are geographically based from coast to coast. So you have CDBA, that's based mainly out of Washington, Oregon area, NJBA, based out of California, ADBA, based out of Arizona, SDBA, it's based out of Texas, they have some races in Oklahoma, and then KDBA, which mainly has races in Missouri and one in Oklahoma. Within these associations, you have two different types of classifications of boats. One is professional boats and one is a sportsman boat. So a professional boat or a pro boat is basically any boat that has a capsule in it. And a sportsman boat are all open boats. And the sportsman boats can only run up to 6-second index before they're required to have a capsule for safety purposes. Now, the pro classes and the sportsman classes have two different types of racing. You have heads-up racing and index racing. Heads-up racing is pretty self-explanatory. It's first one to the finish line wins, as you would expect, standard drag race. Index racing is where everybody gets thrown off because you still have to be the first to the finish line, except you can't break out within the predetermined time. So you can't go too quick, and you also don't want to go too slow. We'll talk about this a little bit more in a later episode. The types of boats in drag boat racing really ranges from hydros, jet boats, outboards, flat bottoms, and jet skis. So if you want to check out drag boat racing in general, kind of look into geographically what would be closest to you to go watch them and support them. That's it for episode 1. Next episode, we're going to go over the track. So we're going to go over the starting barge, the different buoys, and kind of just show you the layout of the track and kind of what it means. So I appreciate you guys tuning in for episode 1 of Drag Boat 101. And I look forward to talking with y'all a little bit more about the track on episode 2.